Hello guys, how are you? How are you doing? Hope all are well. Welcome back to my channel Ninja Programming. Today in this video we will learn and or and not operator in Python, how to use in some of the language Java or JavaScript. You see they use the sign and signs or signs but in Python we use and or sign, all this stuff, or a bit operator but we for better readability we use and or and not instead of a sign and so I just created the two variable for especially for the and it has to be both side true, then the expression will be true. If it's one of the one of the expression is false, the answer will be the false so you see in the first two answer one and answer two, they both true so I'm saying answer one and answer two, the both expression is true, so answer will be the result will be true so true. And here you can see one of the variable I put the false so it will be false because in and for especially for the and it has to be both side true, otherwise it'll be false expression so now the second one you can see it'll be false. um False. um and for the especially for the or operator, in the operator either one of the, if it's true, the expression will be true so even if the both true, obviously true, but if it's one of the expression like a true, it'll be true so just going to show you there are three of them, and if both are false, obviously the answer will be false so the three of them here, both are true, obviously it'll be true. If one of the expression is true, it'll be true. It's saying either or, either A or B. If A is true, expression is true. This is how so you can see first true or false, true, true, and false, because you see the both are true, obviously true. One of them is true, is true. Both are false, false. So now what's next, we can check a not operator not is basically is a reverse if I say not, you see the answer one is true, I said but I'm saying that not answer one, that means it's false not operator will give you the reverse, or if it's, so if it's true it'll be false, and if it's false it'll be true so if I run this, as you can see, the first one is false, second one is true. So I said answer one equal to true, I assign true, but I'm saying not answer one, that means it will be reversed will be false, and this is a false, but I'm saying not answer one, it will be true. So I hope you guys enjoy and you can do mix and combination and an or and not make a big long expression and you can play with this you can see how it's react how you the result will give you so just to make sure and operator has to be both sides true, both expression has to be true. And operator or operator, either one of them will be true, expression will be true. And then not operator only, obviously always give the reverse order reverse answer. So see you next video. Please do subscribe my channel and like and comment, and if I'm doing anything wrong, please do let me know by comment see you next video. Thanks, bye bye.